All right, we're on the way. We're a bit late. The sign said like 3.5 hours, and the light will be gone in 1 hour. We gotta give it a bit so that we can set up the tent while we still have some light. Would be nice. Yeah. By the way, I'm with Finn. Yeah. You ready? Yes. And his brother Michael.
Let's fucking go.
Ooh, let's go.
Lange noch für halb Stunde Sonne und dann noch halt im Dunkeln. Extra für dich. Let's go. Da kommen wir jetzt.
Quick light check. Yes, almost gone.
Gut.
Wir sehen, das ist das Ziel.
Ja,
ist gut.
Das ist das Ziel von morgen. Das Ziel sehen wir noch nicht.
Kein Sand in sich. Kein Sand in sich. Hasse.
Alright, quick update. We're losing light quickly. It looks cool. And we see our target for tomorrow, this one. And I want to fly the drone down here. But first, I have to suffer a bit today because we're gonna have to do the last bit in complete darkness. But we brought lamps, so it should be fine.
Ja, Midnight Snack. Ah, sorry, ist leider erst 6 Uhr. Weißt du, was gibt's jetzt? Oh.
Yo! Oh. We're maybe like halfway there, or a bit more.
Or a bit less.
Yeah, we lost all light now. Wait, our goal is like somewhere up here. Why am I even shining the light? It doesn't even help. Whatever. Little stream. I'm so thirsty.
Ew.
Quick refill. Whew, finally. We did it.
We did it.
Another 200 meters of height, so in total went like 1,200 today. That's too much for me at least. Oh. Those two heroes carried my bag at the end. I'm so dead. I can't even stand. I really hope the shot tomorrow is worth it.
Yes, that's the big question. The one and the only question. Also, ich weiß nicht, wie nee, das geht nicht.
Cozy as fuck. Okay, Vibe check. Wir haben Polenta.
Ich habe einen riesen Vorteil. Riesen Vorteil im Vergleich zu euch. Ich kann Schnee essen. Das ist schneeflüssig.
Junge frisst Schnee. So anything you see today, don't try this at home. We are professionals.
It's like Jenga in the tent.
It's like Jenga with extra steps and with fire. So you know.
Warm, richtig warm, bis meine Matte keine Luft mehr hat. Dann wird arschkalt. Eiskalt.
Good night. Hey, guten Morgen. Vibe check.
Morning.
Licht haben wir noch kein, wirklich null. Noch kein bisschen Sonne. Viel Schlaf brauchen wir nicht. Wir wollen einfach da oben sein.
Yes.
Zum richtigen Zeitpunkt. Und dann die Shots nicht versauen.
Nein, dann muss ich nochmal schnell.
Kommt gut.
So fucking schön. Und da sind.
Look at this shit. Yes. Absolutely
Beautiful.
so worth it so far.
Just hyped.
But we did it. First light. We can do this.
Yes.
This shit. Clean.
Yes.
Whew. Okay, let's keep going.
Patrick, willst du deine Lampe auch wieder haben?
I actually made it to the summit in time. I didn't believe it, but I did it.
Yes.
So, we still got like 10-20 minutes until it's perfect. They're scouting for where to go down. I will start setting up, get warm and comfortable here. And yeah.
Then it's time for the shot. The shot!
This might be the shot of the year for me actually. I got some really good shots already this year, but this might take the cake. Might. I don't know. We'll see.
Yeah, no pressure, girl.
Hey, no pressure.
Never graduated, but I school
Amazing. Amazing scenario.
Yeah, look at this view.
And
Yeah.
there,
We're ready.
that's the thing.
That's what we're all here for.
Yes. So crazy.
We got sun, baby. Okay, we gotta go. It's my turn. Okay, take off.
Crazy!
Okay, ich bin jetzt beim Gipfel. Ich fliege jetzt um den Gipfel herum schnell. Okay, wie timen wir das? Ich weiß nicht.
Ja, ja.
Okay, go.
Let's go.
Okay, let's play back the music like all the neighbors are deaf. Rock and roll in my voice, my heart and soul do duets. What's more important these days? Watching your back or your step. Let's fall in love like the world's ending, the last one's left. Heard the cops round the block, here's the plan, don't get caught. Meet me there, that's the spot. Wait for dark, 10 o'clock. When the sun goes down on this lovesick town, I know just the place we can go. Meet me at sunset. Oh, meet me at sunset. Meet me at sunset. Meet me at sunset. Meet me at sunset. Oh, meet me at sunset. Meet me at sunset. Meet me at sunset.
Perfect. Hell yeah. Whoo! All right. Oh, I'm so happy now. I can go home now. This makes it all worth it. Anyways, that's a wrap. I gotta get down now.
Vibe check, let's go auf der
I brought
Bank.
fucking mate. Amazing.
Just chilling.